Hello all. I just wanted to jump on and say hello and show you a couple of other bags that I will be reviewing and how I pack them up as diaper bags. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, I just wanted to jump on here really quick and apologize for the delayed videos. I have gotten 2 more bags and I'm hoping to get 1 more. It's called a Rough and Tumble to be able to pack it up and review. But for right now, I did do the Mom More packing video, but I'm having a lot of trouble loading. We just moved to this area, and where we live, we don't get cell service or very good internet service. So we're just having to make do with what we have right now until something can be done about that. But the 2 bags that I will be doing a packing are the Fossil Sydney satchel, and those from the planner girl community will know exactly what that is. I've kind of been packing it as my planner bag slash diaper bag because I do have all my guys potty trained now, but I will be able to show you how to pack it as a diaper bag as well. And then I also wanted to show you this really neat bag. It is the cutest little backpack. Now, I got this off Amazon, and it's a knockoff brand of the donut bag. So anything with donut on it, I pretty much want. And I just thought the bag was adorable. My 8-year-old took it to New York, and it held everything perfectly for the plane ride. I will be packing this up as a diaper bag as well. There's just so many pockets in there. Great organization. 2 bottle pockets on each side of the bag. So I will be reviewing, let me see if Himawari, I'm sorry, I am butchering the name, but Himawari on Amazon. And then I will also be reviewing and packing up the Fossil Sydney satchel. So you guys stay tuned. Like I said, I apologize for not getting a video out sooner, but our service here needs some help. But I will get these videos up hopefully in the next month. So stay tuned. Talk to you again soon.